Use these ideas to help you with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing can be a great way to make money, but if you don't know how to do it, becoming successful can seem like a daunting task. It's not as complicated as it can sometimes seem, though. Here are some great, simple ideas for making your affiliate marketing efforts more successful. When selecting an affiliate marketing program, check out their resources in terms of sale boosting items for you. A good affiliate program will offer you banner images, content for text ads, and letter templates, in order to help you boost sales. A sale for you is a sale for them, and you want to work for a company that understands your value as an affiliate. If you want to make the most money from your affiliate marketing program, you should make sure that the contract you sign with one company does not restrict you from working with other companies' affiliate marketing programs as well. If you take the time to build a site that draws traffic, you should be allowed to maximize the revenue from the page. You don't have to limit yourself to just making one website, expand your profit potential. If you start to see success after your first website, then make another website and double your profit potential on a monthly basis. Plus, after you make your first website and go through all the procedures of getting into affiliate marketing, it should be easier to make another because you're already familiar with the process. This collection of tips should help you navigate the waters of the affiliate marketing world with confidence and wisdom, so that you know how to direct your energy to make your business or businesses as profitable as possible. Soon, you'll be so good at affiliate marketing that you will be able to give other people advice. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.